How to pay Amazon Chase card for mobile or desktop. Hey everybody, if you'd like to pay for the Amazon Chase card, you may follow up the steps. So you can just head over, if you're on phone, you can just head over and download the application. You can just go over to available app store on your device. After that, go to the search and basically look for Chase in the search and find it up. Once you find it up, you may just go ahead and download the application Chase on your device, look out for the install option, and you may just go ahead and log it into your account. You can usually find the login within the website also. For the app also, you need to find the login option on your screen, and you can use your username and password in order to log in into that, like this right here. So now what you need to do next is you need to find your Amazon Chase card within the application. Once you are logged in, you may just go ahead and navigate your credit card section, and you may select the option called pay card. And here you need to select the amount that you want to pay and the date, and choose the bank account that you want to pay from if you're in that. So again, look out for that option, and you can double check the details before going ahead and confirming the payment. You can just go ahead and double check, and that way you can pay Amazon Chase from your mobile. If it is for desktop, you can just head over to chase.com, head over to any of the browser available, and follow the similar process, and you should be able to pay Amazon Chase card from your mobile or desktop. You can also link your Amazon and Chase accounts to manage your Amazon Visa directly on Amazon.com. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to basically go ahead and pay Amazon Chase card from mobile or desktop. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.